Now you're gonna get it started. Look at him walking.
Crazy Dragoon Mistress said RIP they don't have any gold barbecue. The GN0 Mie said yes. The GN0 Mie said right there.
Is that a friend of yours?
The teeny guy?
Yeah, apparently this guy right here.
The GN0 Mie said yes.
Okay.
I got that one.
The GN0 Mie said yes.
Alright, let me sneak over there and see if I can get his attention. It looks like he's trying to get some chips out of the deal.
The GN0 Mie said ToeKneeTM.
We'll be right back. They have to do it.
It's fine. I told
There we go. I love it.
Hey.
I need the two phones. She's got a phone.
And then you just send it to me, I'll send it to you. Yeah. Alright guys, so on the right, we throw it up high and then smile. Right? Make sure you don't put it
All
in
right.
your face. 1, 2, 3. We do. Just do one. Don't be shy.
I'll talk to him in a second here, so you can say hello to him.
Crazy Dragoon Mistress said, well anyways Penguin, if you and Fireball ever visit me I will be hooking you up with a gold barbecue bag. D.
I was offering. I don't mind helping.
The GN0 Mie said K.
I don't mind helping.
Oh, it's right here.
Give her a one second.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so, alright, so on 3. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty good.
Nice.
Crazy Dragoon Mistress said, does that sound good, Penguin?
So, nice. There we go, look at this. Look at that one.
1 second. She's not paying attention. She was out of audio range for a second.
Yeah, I followed you on this, so I got you.
The GN0 Mie said Tommy.
I'm here through Monday. So,
All right, man. Well, I can just give you an idea.
I'm going out tonight. I'm going to dance tonight, and then tomorrow I'm going to the Aces Parade.
Yeah.
It's on, like they're blocking out the main road.
Okay.
And then June night, so EDM, live,
My license is going to be able to stay up all night.
That's right.
Say it one more time for him. Say it one more time for him.
All right, we'll see if I got it.
I have somebody on here that's actually from your stream.
For my really?
And Chinook Spot said 10.
Yeah, Tony?
47.2 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
Nomi, what's up, Nomi? Nomi's in here. This
Yeah.
is Amber's here.
I'm actually
too.
live right here.
It's Amber's Rambler. Stitch is right here. Bibbity's here. You know Nomi, don't you?
Randall said HIO.
Yeah, they're on here right now. So no, I'm anti-tux.
Oh, anti-tux.
Yep.
Okay, right on, man.
I got stickers.
Oh, cool.
I do mostly extreme overclocking streams and like PC building stuff. Mostly all like techie stuff. I love it.
Crazy Dragoon Mistress said, hey
I do the
Amber.
chatbots, OBS, and stream
Nice.
for streamers and good giveaways, Fortnite tournaments.
Amber the Rambler said
This guy is
hello.
amazing. I need you in my life because I need some tuning and stuff.
Oh yeah, this stuff's fun. Yeah, I got a whole box all set up and everything with fans and everything.
I need the hardware.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it. I just like I just went up to a 5900X and it needs to be tuned.
Yeah.
Prioritized.
Yeah, I generally stream on Fridays because of life and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But
No, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Amber the Rambler
Yeah.
said
Feel free to hop on though, man.
Yeah, let me get a picture of your. I'm just doing pictures of bads. I'm not trying the barcode. But
Perfect, man.
follow.
Yeah, absolutely.
Know
man.
me, I love you. That's one of my mods. That's one of my angels.
Yeah, he's been trying to. Yeah, I was trying to catch up with you yesterday. He thought he saw you while we were walking around, and so he was like, by the time I turned around to look for you, you're already gone. So
Yeah, I move fast for a fluffy guy, man.
yeah, you know, the last time I checked, I ain't dainty either. So you know,
last night I had to crap out at like 7 o'clock. I've been doing like 60,000 steps a day.
Yeah.
Since Thursday.
It's worth it though, man. It's a lot of fun.
Ibuprofen and edibles right now.
Yes.
Magic.
I gotta get Nomi the cheat.
Yeah, we got to get going too.
Nomi
Nice to
sounds
meet you.
familiar. Don't we know Nomi?
The Nomi?
Yeah,
What?
the Nomi.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
no problem, man.
I appreciate it. Nice
The
meeting you.
GN0 me said love y'all.
Hey, I told you I was going to find him.
We
I'm
found
glad we
him.
could.
Woo!
Yeah.
Good job, Nomi.
I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, hop on Friday. I'll go through this first before I start doing the overclocking stuff. But
Okay.
yeah, I'll definitely go through the bag and like, you know, we can do it. I want to do a little retro on it and everything.
Okay.
Stuff that works, stuff that didn't, stuff like that too.
Okay,
so.
cool, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate you.
Yeah,
The
I will, man.
GN0 me said
It's
woohoo.
on the wish list.
Yeah.
Hey, that's it.
I have budget